Hi, I'm Ryan Berg, Director of Product Management for Greenlee. Here today to talk about one of our brand new tools coming from the Gator product line, the battery hydraulic tool line of our crimping and cutting products. So today the EK1240SLX is being introduced, and just doing a quick walk around of the tool and the differences between what we've historically had versus what we have right now. As you can tell from the base of the tool, we incorporate an 18-volt Makita battery system. We also have an LED information portion of the tool that allows the user to understand exactly what's happening with the tool. It provides error codes if something were to go wrong. It controls and communicates the battery level that's associated with it, the overall consumption of energy that the tool is consuming from the battery, as well as the firmware and basically the information associated with this specific tool. But that's all here on the back of the LED screen that's on all of our Greenlee Gator crimping and cutting tools. But moving up to the major portion of the tool that's different than what we've had in the past, and it's really associated with the design of this crimping head. So with the changes in the SLX version of the 12-ton tool, we've taken out a lot of weight that's associated with what we used to have. We've taken out about 25% of the overall weight associated with this head, and when we do that, the overall balance of the tool becomes much more manageable. So having weight out over the portion of the product that's not supported by the forward position handle, that's not a good thing. So ultimately, we wanted to take weight out of that tool, take 25% out of the head, take overall 10% out of the entire tool. But what that really does is that boosts up the overall ergonomic score that this product has. One of the other features that's associated with this redesign of the head is a grooved ram path. And what that does is it basically takes the tool and it makes sure or ensures that the crimp consistency is always where we want it to be. We don't want to cross crimp, we don't want to offset the dies that are associated with that, and this new design allowed us to do that. So historically, this is what Greenlee has offered in the past, and it may be very familiar to you, but we have had this design, this silver head portion of the design, for decades. And so in an ongoing effort to continuously improve the overall ergonomics and the weight and the balance of these tools, you can see a significant difference between what we used to have versus what we have right now. And ultimately, the big rationale as to why we moved to this more ergonomic product, it's associated with how this tool is used, who's using it. It's predominantly used in industrial commercial applications. Grounding applications are especially heavy with this type of tool due to its capacity, or high capacity, for conductors and connectors. It's also used in the utility industry, predominantly with underground applications, pad mount transformers. But we really think that this overall design change and the incorporation of the technology that goes along with our Gator battery hydraulic tools, it's really going to be beneficial, and you're going to feel it in terms of the balance and the precision which you can actually hold this tool and get into those tight locations where the tool is needed. But again, look forward to the EK1240SLX 12-ton crimper from Greenlee.